To unblock someone on Messenger if you deleted conversation. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger in your Android from your Play Store. Now open the Messenger in your Android. You can see here the Messenger will appear in front of you. You can see different options at the screen. Just you have to going to unblock someone and you have deleted the conversation of that person. Just move on the three lines which are present at the left top corner. Now you can see here there is a profile option. Just you have to click on this circle like this, and you have to move and scroll this bar. Click on the privacy and security. Here you can see here different options. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Here you can see here block accounts. Just you have to click on block account. You can see I don't have blocked any person. If you have blocked that person and you have deleted the conversation of that person, their ID will appear here. Just you have to press or push on that person's ID, click on it and click on unblock. That person will be unblocked from your profile. This procedure is for both Android as well as for iPhone. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.